Test Tube Ignou MA in Environmental and Occupational Health. Crack your exams with EncycloHub solved papers. Books, white heavy checkmark. Are you a student of Ignou's MA in Environmental and Occupational Health, MEOH? Struggling with technical terms, case studies, or environmental health theories? Let EncycloHub simplify your exam preparation with previous year solved papers, your go-to resource for smart, structured, and effective learning. Blue Book, What's Inside? White heavy checkmark solved question papers from the last 5 to 7 years. White heavy checkmark clear, concise, and examiner-friendly answers. White heavy checkmark covers all key subjects: environmental health and safety, occupational hazards and control, public health and toxicology, policies and legal frameworks in EOH. White heavy checkmark aligned with Ignou's latest syllabus and question patterns. Light bulb, why choose EncycloHub? Small Blue Diamond expert written answers by environmental health professionals. Small Blue Diamond ideal for last-minute revision and conceptual clarity. Small Blue Diamond instant delivery in high-quality PDF format. Small Blue Diamond affordable and student-friendly pricing. Small Blue Diamond trusted by Ignou learners across India. Whether you're preparing for theory papers or practical understanding, our solved papers will give you the edge you need to score higher. Mobile phone with Arrow, order now via WhatsApp, your contact number, or message us on Instagram at EncycloHub with MEOH solved papers. Open book, learn smart, write with confidence. Succeed with EncycloHub, your companion for Ignou exam success.